Now we will read together Ma Tovu. The words Ma Tovu mean how good or how lovely. And the title of this prayer is based on the blessing, how good are your tents, Jacob, your dwellings, Israel. This blessing was pronounced by Balaam, a non-Jewish prophet who was hired by a king to curse the Israelites. However, he failed 3 times to accomplish this goal. Instead, when he saw the camps of the Israelites, he blessed them. Generally, Ma Tovu is recited upon first entering the synagogue sanctuary before the formal prayers begin. And since the mission of the Jewish people is to be a light unto the world, as we gather to worship together, Ma Tovu reminds us that we have a duty to serve as an example unto others, not only individually, but also as a community. As always, we will begin with the Hebrew text of the prayer, followed by the transliteration of the Hebrew words, a translation in English, and a translation in Spanish. We will read each word one syllable at a time. Let's begin. Ma Tovu Ohalecha Yaakov Mishkenotecha Yisrael Vani Berov Hasdecha Avo Beitecha Eshtahave El Sheichal Gad Shecha Beiratecha Adonai Ahavti Meon Beitecha Umekom Mishkan Kevodecha Vani Eshtahave Vechra Evrecha Lifnei Adonai Ozi Vani Tefilati Lecha Adonai Et Razon Elohim Berav Hasdecha Aneni Bemet Is Shecha. We have reached the end of the presentation. Toda raba.